Alright, hi and welcome back to our educators. So this is a new video for 4.4 elements in group 1 for chemical properties of group 1 element part. Okay, so for this particular video I'm going to talk about this summary about this filler, this reaction part ni. I want to talk about them, and in the upcoming video only I will discuss this experiment 4.1 part by part. Okay, so you may check out the link later, and remember when I teach this part I already upload with a question, so make sure you answer the question and check the video for this for the question. The video for that question is up from this video. Okay, it's just like that. All right, so later you can give a try to your test yourself 4.4, and we will enter 4.5 elements in group 17. Okay, so now without any further ado we get started. Okay, fine. So this is the notes. Okay, so I want you to copy the notes and later we will do some questions, okay, regarding this particular notes. Okay, fine. Chemical properties. Okay, remember that chemical properties for all the elements that in this chapter you will learn with a few experiments. Okay, why does we learn with a few experiments? Because students they tend to question the Lembaga Peperiksa Malaysia and KPM that kami belajar the concept but where did we apply the concept. So the response from KPM is, okay, you want to know where we apply the concept, right? Okay, fine. So what we do, we add on all these experiments in your syllabus. So that is how experiments exist lah. Alright. Okay, so lepas ni jangan pula tanya kenapa buat eksperimen ni, kenapa buat eksperimen ni. The reason is because they want to show you this is the reactions for group 1. Faham tak? That is why they entered or include this particular things all in the syllabus. Okay, now can you see this diagram? M will produce M plus electron. Okay, so what does this means? A metal donate its electron. Okay, so this is the equation on the metal donating the electron. Okay, so they simply denote the metal with M symbol. M is not the exact symbol of the element lah, with the metal actually. Alright, so I want to ask one question to all of you. Okay, I want you to answer secara jujur. What does group 1 elements do or did to achieve stability? Okay, this is my one and only question for you guys. Okay, how does this group 1 fillers they achieve stability? You know, stability will be formed when they are in the ion form, right? Once they are in the ion form, then only they are considered as a stable. Okay, so this filler all, how does they achieve the stability? Okay, how does they manage to form the ion? Okay, the reason is, you know, all the group 1 elements, will I show you? Mana dia? Where's my previous notes? Oh, I forgot to write. Okay, all the group 1 elements, they have one valence electron. Okay, so you all agree they have one valence electron, right? So it means like maybe the first one have 2.1, the second one have 2.8.1, 2.8.8.1, okay, something like that. So how all these fillers achieve the stability? That is my question. So is it by fulfilling this valence shell with 7 electrons or simply donating this 1 electron? Which one is easier? Is it donate to easy the 1 or accept 7? Okay, you see the number. Okay, so it's easier to donate the 1, betul tak? Kena hilangkan lah the, you buang the 1, then everything will be 888, so that achieve stable. So group 1 elements achieve stability by donating the electron. Alright, so your answer should be the atoms of group 1 elements achieve stability by donating one electron, usually, not usually lah, dia akan donate the valence electron in the valence shell. Okay, because remember, whatever chemical reaction, whatever accepting, donating or sharing, it's all about valence electron. Okay, by donating one electron, enough. So remember that it's like a concept here now. If you donate your electron, if a metal donate the electron, it is a positive person. Like you lah, let's say you have a lot of money in your pocket. If you donate it, you're a positive person, betul tak? You are trying to help the people. So when it donates its electron, it turns out to be cation. Understood? So remember, donating electron would form cation. Understand? And accepting electron is forming anion. Alright, so now this fella donate one electron. So what happened? Becomes, wait okay, becomes metal ion with charge +1. That's it. Okay, so that is why if you see sodium is a group 1 element, right? Their ion formula is Na+. If Li, Li+. If potassium, K+. This is why, because this charge, the up filler, this one is indicating the electron. If the charge is positive, then this filler donate electron. How many electron? Let's just see the number in front the charge. Like here everything is 1 lah, so this filler donate 1 electron. If let's say magnesium, Mg2+, yeah, this filler also donate electron because the positive indicates donating. And how many electron this filler donate? 2 lah. Understand? This is what you should understand in a basic way lah. Okay, that is the most simplest concept and part that I want to explain in this video. Okay, done with it. Okay, now come, let's go to this filler. Okay, this is another one topic also lah in the chemical properties. Okay, I put part 2 lah. Okay, so what is in this summary? Okay, this is a very long summary. Okay, I simplified it. Okay, we know group 1 elements, the one that we learn, okay, that we learn is there are only 3 main fillers, which is lithium, next filler is sodium, and also potassium. Alright, so my question is, how do we investigate the chemical properties? Like the physical properties, yeah, we put it in water, we see it is floating, so it's have a low density. We try to connect it with electricity, cannot conduct electricity, all that we can see. But how about the chemical properties? Remember what I tell about chemical properties in the previous video? Chemical properties you cannot see by your eye. It is something happening inside the particles. Okay, so we will see the chemical properties of these fillers when they react with water, oxygen gas and chlorine gas. Okay, we will see that. Okay, this is what we are going to see, but in this summary at up first. Okay, so settle these things. All right. Okay, now we want to see, I already tell to you all, lithium can react with water, lithium can react with oxygen, lithium can react with chlorine gas, sodium can react with water, oxygen can react with water. Okay, come. Now, my first notes, okay, I want you to copy this one, notes for chemical reaction. Okay. Reaction. Alright. Okay, when your metal, which is alkali metal, correct? So whatever alkali metals that react with water, what does they form? Okay, that is what written in this page. When alkali metal reacts with water, alkaline hydroxide solution and hydrogen gas formed. For example, reaction between lithium and water will produce lithium hydroxide and also hydrogen gas. Okay, this is what I'm trying to explain. Okay, whatever alkali metals that you have, it react with water, they will form alkaline solution. Okay, alkaline solution and hydrogen gas. Okay, remember alkaline solution means in this case dia akan ada OH minus, which is OH lah. Okay, let's say lah your first metal you choose sodium. Okay, in this case dia bagi lithium, betul? So lithium plus H2O, they will produce lithium hydroxide and hydrogen. Remember that you kena hafal benda ni. You tak hafal, you kata tak faham, memang sampai bila-bila pun you tak faham. Understand? You kena hafal this benda baru you akan faham. Okay? Alright. Okay, so if let's say I have lithium lah. Okay, lithium react with hydrogen. Okay, so what does they form? They form alkaline solution, which is LiOH and H2. Okay, then see your hydrogen, I have 3 here. Here I have 2 only. Tak stable. Nak stablekan macam mana? Dia kena fikirlah. Okay, this side have 3, this side have 2. So stablekan di belah yang kurang hydrogen. So try to put 2 here. So automatically hydrogen jadi 4. So you also letak 2 dan letak 2. So dah dapat a balanced chemical equation. Okay, let's say I did the same thing untuk sodium pula. Okay, wait I take color. Okay, so I have sodium Na plus H2O. Okay, produces sodium alkaline solution dia NaOH2 je. You take the metal tambah OH ke alkaline solution and hydrogen gas. Kat sini hydrogen ada 3, kat sini ada 2. So balance dengan cara yang sama. Letak 2, sini pun letak 2, sini pun letak 2. So this is for sodium. If let's say your alkaline metal, okay, you punya alkaline metal berubah. Okay, berubah kepada potassium. Okay, 2KH. Kenapa I stablekan awal? Okay, so K plus H2O. Kejap. This color tak berapa cantik. This pula. Okay, your K react with H2O. So potassium if react with H2O, it will form, take the potassium, letak hydroxide. So potassium OH and potassium hydroxide lah. Tak balance lagi. Okay, letak 2 kat sini, letak 2 kat sini, letak 2 kat sini. So already dah balance. So this is the chemical equation when your alkali metals, which is lithium, sodium and potassium, react with water. Remember, if they say it's alkali metal, it will produce alkaline solution and also hydrogen gas. That's very important. Okay, this is what this first filler is talking about. So I dah bagi detailed explanation kat bawah ni. Alright, okay, next. Okay, just now we talk about your alkaline metal react dengan water. Ingat tak? First can react with water, second with oxygen. Okay, come, I take again your alkali metal. Okay, your alkali metal now, dia dah bosan react dengan water. So what dia buat, dia pergi react dengan oxygen gas. Okay, kenapa dia react dengan oxygen gas? Memang dia nak react dengan benda tu. So that is why dia react. Okay, and as for now, our study untuk SP memang limited. You punya alkali metal, you kena tahu kalau dia react dengan water, dia form apa. Kalau dia react dengan oxygen, dia form apa. Kalau dia dengan gas klorin, dia form apa. Tu memang you kena tahu. Okay, nanti you belajar apa syllabus, adalah penambahan-penambahan dia according to your level. Okay, so if let's say your alkali metal react dengan oxygen gas. Okay, so apa dia form? Mari kita go to up again. When alkali metals burn in oxygen gas. Ingat kalau in gas it will burn. Okay, dia akan terbakar, dia akan dibakar. You can see in your textbook. Okay, memang it shows dia terbakar. So what will happen? A white solid, meaning the product yang dia hasil tu dia adalah a white solid, which is actually metal oxide, and metal oxide akan dihasilkan. Okay, sorry, I kenapa tambah N, I also don't know. Okay, so ingat, if it reacts with water, it will form alkaline hydroxide. But if it reacts dengan, oh wait I padam ni, ada tak alkaline solution tak payahlah, tak payah jadi pasal, letak alkaline hydroxide better. Where's the color? I think correct color. Oh no, kenalah warna sama, nanti orang kecam saya pula. Okay, hydroxide. Okay, Wait I move sikit a bit benda ni. Bar notes kena cantik sikit. Sorry lah, saya baru mula belajar bar notes kat tab. So my notes tak berapa lawak sikit. Tapi kalau you rasa sangat lawak, boleh komen lah. It will encourage me. So this is the alkaline hydroxide. Okay, so just now came back to number 2. If your alkali burn in excess oxygen, so they will form metal oxide. Metal oxide. So ingat, if your alkali burn in excess hydrogen, so excess oxygen, dia bukan excess lah, kalau dia burn in oxygen saja, dia akan form metal oxide. Okay, and this metal oxide is initially white color solid. Okay, kalau you buat eksperimen you nampak. Okay, it's a white color solid. Okay, kira metal oxide tu berwarna putih. Okay, let's say my first alkali metal. Okay, I took lithium. So lithium react with oxygen gas, it form metal oxide. So your metal is Li. Okay, Li plus lah kan. And oxide punya ion O2 minus. So you silangkan the charge, you will get the formula of the product, which is Li2O. Okay, done. Your lithium is 2. Ni pula letak 2 juga sebab oksigen tak balance. Sekarang lithium jadi 4. So you have 4Li plus O2 produces 2LiO2. And remember, the color of your lithium oxide, okay, is white color. It is a solid. Okay, untuk level SPM tak perlu tahu pun dia punya physical state, just tahu color dah enough. Okay, ini kalau dia react dengan lithium. Okay, let's say dia react dengan sodium. If sodium plus oxygen, so dia akan hasilkan metal oxide juga. So Na plus NO2 minus. You silangkan the charge, betul? You cross the charge lah. So you will end up by getting Na2O. So letak 2 kat sini, ni pula bermasalah sebab nak letak 2 kat sini. So jadi 4. So Na jadi 4 lah. 4Na. Okay, and then this one, last one, we have potassium. 4K plus O2 produces, you boleh try buat tanpa seimbangkan, then nanti you seimbangkan, then you akan dapat jawapan yang sama. Tak apalah, saya buat lah. K plus O2 produces K2O. Letak 2 kat sini, letak 4 kat sini. So this is the chemical equation if any of your alkali metals react with oxygen. They will form metal oxide. And remember, do remember, wait warna bosan. Okay, remember the color of metal oxide is, the color of metal oxide is, mana dia, white. Okay, it is a white solid. Okay, that is the color of your metal oxide. Understand? So I hope you understand what I'm teaching now. And remember that you kena ingat, tu saja. It's all about memorizing for this particular part. You kena ingat dulu. Okay, so video ni actually dah sangat panjang. So I'm not in the mood to continue because ni pun dah lebih 18 minit. Nanti you bosan nak tengok. So in the next video, I will be talking about another 2 reactions when your alkaline solution dissolve in water. Just now, your alkali metals dimasukkan dalam water, they form alkaline hydroxide, correct? So now the alkaline hydroxide punya issue is, how does the alkaline hydroxide can be formed when your metal oxide yang kat sini ni, in the second step ni, react dengan water pula. Faham tak? That will be your next one. And another one example when your alkali burn in chlorine gas. Okay, but remember, tak kisahlah your alkali metal burn in oxygen gas ke chlorine gas, it still form a white solid. Okay, the main part is you should know the chemical formula and to write the chemical equation for all of this. Then only you will be in a, what do you call it, safe place. Okay, in the experiment video, I will show to you how we will test the presence of LiOH and AOH and KOH all for all the things. Alright, so now for this notes part is just over until here. We will see in the next video for alkali metal with chlorine gas and metal oxide form metal hydroxide when add water. Okay, that's all from me. Bye.